Let's talk about our next subject, and that is my favorite, the unicorns that are stranded all over the place, also known as Waymo. And Uber are partnering not only in California, but they're also expanding their partnership now in
Exclusive.
Austin and Atlanta. So Austin, Atlanta, anybody who's in that area, Amazon has great deals on cones right now. I might do a George Soros thing where I just ship cones to Atlanta and Austin. So you guys might see just a bunch of cones all over the street. They are for you to pick up and put on the damn cars. So that's all you guys.
Yeah, these two companies, Chris, these two companies were in a deadly lawsuit, and they settled after, one of the Google engineers that was working on autonomous vehicles stole all the secrets and went to Uber, and Uber caught him. And look where they are now. They're in bed. They're in bed now. They're bedfellows, right? But by the way, this is an exclusive relationship. This is not like, oh, whatever. So I can see what's happening here. Actually, Harry had a couple of decent tweets about this. He was saying that who needs who more? Does Waymo need Uber more, or does Uber need Waymo more? Well, I think Harry hit the nail on the head on this one. I think Waymo needs Uber a lot more because Uber does have the marketplace. They have the platform.
Yep.
And so if you guys are totally unhappy in your cities with rideshare driving, I mean, it's on Waymo. It's Waymo's fleet. Waymo's going to clean these cars up. Waymo's going to charge these cars up. The mechanicals have to get fixed and whatever. They're mostly electric anyway. So, I'm pretty sure there's going to be a whole bunch of centers now popping up. Well, the more they get popular, maybe you can get a W-2 at Waymo, taking care of those cars. But I said this again, I'm going to say it again. This is not a threat. Seriously, can't reach that scale. Can't reach the density. FYI, Harry, are you watching? I know you don't watch TLD or whatever. I talked to you about this. On October 10th, backyard, literally 15 minutes from my house, is the robotaxi announcement at Warner Studios. I need to go there, Harry. We're going to do some good content. I need to be at that thing. So get me in, Harry. This is those are coming too now. I don't know what's going to happen with the robotaxi, but yeah, strange, man. Hey
everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
I don't know, but all I know is I always see those cars on my X feed, and I always repost it because it just shows how the cars actually are. So the latest one that I posted was earlier this morning, where there was a little meetup happening with the Waymos in the streets of San Francisco, and a car was trying to get out, but these Waymos were just sitting there going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, and this car was sitting there for a while trying to get out. Now, I posed the question, should the car have waited like they did, or should they hop the curb? Because they had more than enough room to hop the curb, go over, and get out. But yeah, that's what's going on with these cars on top of, they're random meetups and all that stuff that you see, sometimes keeping people up all at night and their horns going off and all that shit. So yeah, it's fun to see and do that, especially. So I will continue posting that. So if you want to see some crazy things that are happening on Waymos, and especially if they're continuing to expand into new areas, that just means more videos of them acting stupid and collecting and doing dumb things. So it'll be really fun
today, right? I saw that.
Yeah, that was the one. And then I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago, there was that one that just came out where it's like, it looks like a cube, and it's got no driver's seat, nothing. So you just get in there and sit. And
let's finish this topic. What about this, Mustafa? Waymo did 100,000 trips in 5 or 6 cities that they're in collectively. Okay, let me give you the numbers, Mustafa. Uber does 1.2 million trips per hour, every hour, 7 days a week, 365 days a day. Lyft does 2 million trips a day. 100,000 collectively in a month's period, year over year, from 50,000 to 100,000. You can't do trips when you don't have cars, Mustafa. There's only like 300 cars in LA. How many trips can you do with 300 cars? There's 180,000 Uber drivers in LA and Lyft drivers. That's why you can't create density with a $100,000 machine. It's more, probably $150,000 machine. So this will take some time anyway. But yeah, Dara was like, "Oh yeah, we're putting Waymos are. We were suing each other, but now exclusive deal in Atlanta and Austin. So we'll find out. I mean, we'll find out."
Look, the only positive thing, because I do want to say something positive once in a while, when it comes to these things. The only thing I can say that is good is I haven't seen anybody get run over or hurt from these things. They just do stupid shit. Yeah. Hopefully that's the case where it won't happen.
Well, we don't want that,
but they just do stupid shit, and I get to laugh
listen,
at it.
Man, Chris, this thing is gonna go downtown LA, the barrio or some homeless shelter shit that comes down in Broadway and downtown. I'm telling you, there's gonna be a passenger in the car. Some guy is going to stop in front of this thing. It's going to stop, and they're going to break the window, rob the passenger. That's what's going to happen. I mean, look, there's a lot of things going. It's not negativity. It's like reality. This is happening. Crime is happening everywhere. And Lelius is saying, does Harry have a hookup with Elon? I don't know if he has a hookup with Elon, but I'm fucking going to that thing one way or the other. You know what I mean? Like,
or, it could be like a bum orgy or something that's going on in there.
Yeah, we'll see. Anyway. We'll find out. If I do go, I will live stream though.
Let me tell you, one thing that you need to do, bring a black light just in case, so you could see anything dirty or anything in there.
When you get in the car?
Sure. Yeah. It's kind of like if you go to a hotel room, it's like, oh, it's just Jackson Pollock film or Jackson Pollock painting.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.